In this video, you will learn how to use labels to categorize your BPM data in Adonis. Labels help you organize your assets by putting them into categories. You can stick a label to any repository object or model. Once the label is applied, a new relation will be created between the label and the selected asset. All assets where a label has been attached will appear in that label's notebook. Labels are available for modeling in cross-domain models. You can set the label color via the color attribute. In the header of all Insights dashboards for objects, Adonis shows you tags for the labels that group the object you are interested in. Have a look at the Adonis Online help for more information.